Top 5 Best Vlogging and Mirrorless Cameras 2025. Capture your story in stunning detail. Looking to elevate your content, travel vlogs or professional videos? These top 5 digital and mirrorless cameras combine advanced imaging technology, powerful autofocus and creator-friendly features to help you produce studio-quality results anywhere. From compact vlog companions to full-frame cinematic powerhouses, here are the best cameras for creators, vloggers and filmmakers in 2025, designed to make every shot shine. Links in the description for each product mentioned. Number 1. Sony ZV-E10 Vlog Camera for content creators and vloggers. 20.1 MP 1.0 type sensor, ultra-wide 20mm lens, flip screen, 4K video, compact design, black. Designed for content creators, vloggers and streamers. 20mm ultra-wide-angle lens, perfect for selfies and wide scenes. 20.1 MP 1.0 type XMR RS CMOS sensor with high-quality 4K video recording, fast hybrid autofocus with IAF and face priority AE for sharp, well-lit subjects. Vari-angle LCD touchscreen, ideal for self-recording and framing. Background defocus and product showcase modes for creative control. Built-in directional 3-capsule mic with windscreen for clear voice recording. Lightweight, pocket-sized, designed for on-the-go vlogging. The Sony ZV-E10 Vlog Camera is your perfect creative partner for capturing professional quality vlogs, travel videos, and social content. Designed specifically for creators, it features a bright 20mm ultra-wide lens that keeps you and your surroundings in frame, even at arm's length. The 1.0 type 20.1 MP sensor delivers stunning 4K footage and crisp photos, while the fast hybrid AF ensures your face stays sharp and well exposed. With a flip-out touchscreen, built-in directional microphone, and intuitive shooting modes like background defocus and product showcase, the ZV-E10 makes creating engaging content effortless. Compact, lightweight and creator-friendly, this camera helps you record, share and shine anywhere you go. Number 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Vlogging Camera with 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K per 120 frames per second video, 3-axis stabilization, fast autofocus, face and object tracking. Compact digital vlog camera for YouTube and creators. 0.1-inch CMOS sensor for superior image quality and low-light performance. Capture stunning 4K per 120 frames per second ultra-smooth videos. 0.3-axis mechanical stabilization for shake-free, cinematic footage. Intelligent face and object tracking for perfect framing. Fast and accurate autofocus with active track. 6.0. Large 2-inch rotatable touchscreen for easy vlogging and selfies. Compact pocket-sized, designed for creators on the go, ideal for YouTube travel vlogs and professional content creation. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 redefines portable vlogging with its powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor and ability to record breathtaking 4K video at 120 frames per second. Designed for creators who demand professional results, it offers 3-axis stabilization for ultra-smooth footage even in motion. The intelligent active track 6.0 ensures your face or subject stays perfectly in focus, while the rotatable 2-inch touchscreen makes it effortless to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting. Compact yet powerful, the Osmo Pocket 3 fits right in your pocket, ready to capture life's moments anywhere. Perfect for YouTubers, vloggers and filmmakers, it's your ultimate tool for stunning stabilized storytelling. Number 3. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera with RFS 18-45mm f4.5-6.3 IS STM lens kit, 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, 4K video, dual pixel CMOS AF2, ideal for vlogging, content creation and photography. Black point 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor for crisp, detailed images. Shoot stunning uncropped 4K videos at 30p for professional quality content. Dual pixel CMOS AF2 with fast, accurate subject tracking. Compact and lightweight mirrorless, designed for creators on the move. RFS 18-45mm IS STM lens for versatile shooting from wide to zoom. Vari-angle touchscreen LCD for easy vlogging and selfie recording. Advanced connectivity with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for instant sharing. Perfect hybrid camera for content creators, vloggers and travel photographers. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera is the perfect entry into the EOS R system, built for creators who want to take their content to the next level. Featuring a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor and powerful Digi-X processor, it delivers exceptional photo clarity and vibrant 4K video with natural color and depth. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 ensures lightning-fast, precise focus tracking for people, animals and moving subjects. Paired with the RFS 18-45mm IS STM lens, this kit provides flexibility for wide-angle shots, portraits and everyday vlogging. With its articulating touchscreen, compact form factor and easy connectivity, the EOS R50 makes it simple to capture, create and share professional quality content anywhere. Number 4. Minolta ProShot 64MP Digital Camera 10x Optical Zoom 4K Ultra HD Video Macro Shooting Anti-Shake 3-inch LCD Screen Face Detection includes 32GB SD card battery and carrying case. Blue Dot High-Resolution 64MP Sensor captures sharp detailed photos. 4K Ultra HD Video Recording for stunning, lifelike footage. 10x Optical Zoom brings distant subjects up close with clarity. Macro mode for vivid close-up shots of small details. Anti-shake image stabilization reduces blur for steady shots. 3-inch LCD display for easy viewing and framing, face detection and smile capture for perfect portraits every time. Includes 32GB SD card rechargeable battery, and protective case. Capture every moment in brilliant detail with the Minolta ProShot 64MP digital camera. Designed for both beginners and photography enthusiasts, it combines powerful performance with user-friendly features. Enjoy 4K Ultra HD video recording and 64MP still images that bring your memories to life. The 10x optical zoom lets you get closer to the action, while anti-shake stabilization ensures crisp results even on the move. Switch to macro mode for stunning close-up photography and take advantage of face detection technology for perfect selfies and portraits. Complete with a 32GB SD card battery and carrying case, the ProShot delivers everything you need to start shooting like a pro right out of the box. Number 5. Panasonic LUMIX S5iX mirrorless camera with 20-60mm f3.5-5.6 lens, 24.2MP full-frame sensor, phase hybrid AF, unlimited 4:2:2 10-bit recording, 5.8K ProRes, RAW over HDMI, IP streaming, DCS5M2X KK.24.2MP full-frame CMOS sensor for stunning image quality and low-light performance, phase hybrid autofocus with fast, accurate subject detection and tracking. Unlimited 4:2:2 10-bit internal recording for professional video production, supports 5.8K Apple ProRes and RAW video output via HDMI. Dual native ISO ensures exceptional dynamic range and color depth. 5-axis dual AS2 stabilization for shake-free handheld shooting. IP streaming, USB tethering, and advanced connectivity for creators. Comes with LUMIX S20-60mm f3.5-5.6 versatile zoom lens, durable weather-sealed magnesium alloy body for field reliability. The Panasonic LUMIX S5iX is a powerhouse mirrorless camera built for filmmakers, photographers and content creators who demand top-tier performance. Featuring a 24.2MP full-frame sensor and phase hybrid AF, it delivers razor-sharp focus and incredible image quality in any environment. With unlimited 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, 5.8K ProRes capture and RAW output over HDMI, the S5iX offers professional-grade video flexibility. Its 5-axis image stabilization ensures smooth cinematic footage, while IP streaming and USB tethering make it ideal for live production and remote workflows. Paired with the 20-60mm lens, this kit gives you the range and precision to capture every creative vision, from cinematic storytelling to high-quality live streaming.